beautiful view. For somebody who's in the UK for the first time, I did myself an absolute disservice for not going anywhere. This is as far as I could get because it is freezing. I'm convinced everybody that lives in the UK is a millionaire because what? How do I give them 500 Qatari reals and they give me back 83 pounds? 83 pounds! How do you guys even buy bread? Some layovers are exciting to go out and explore, but this one is definitely to just step outside and look at the trees and come back and have coffee and sleep. I just carried this box from ground floor. I can't even speak now. This whole way here. I'm tired. See outside. I may seem dramatic right now, but it is the ghetto, and this is like the last box of everything that I've moved. Hectic.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around. I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. Find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you. To find someone like you. Baby, I want this to last forever. Oh yeah. Baby, I want this. Can we make this last forever? Oh yes. Ooh, 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 ooh,
This is how cold it is in Doha. One thing I'm still adjusting to is having church on Thursdays or Fridays because weekend in Doha is from Thursday. I know, it still messes up my mind so much because I am used to having church on Sunday, but I'm happy that I am able to go to church.
My mother's word. I got erased. I got erased. Now and forever. Over all things. The first and last word will always be there.
something about the way that you talk to me, even when.
So it's my first time in Saigon. Probably butchering the pronunciation. It's my first time here and I am supposed to go out also because, I mean, come on, why waste a layover? But girl actually wasted the layover. So the only thing I did was exchange currency. That's it. big the calling me. Sorry. Yes? Okay. Oh, there. We said 15:30, just to give you like some preparation. That's okay, right? Okay, see you. I just love how reasonable Turkey is. I mean, there was 3 of us, and when the bill came, I was like, what? This is so reasonable. When we converted, of course. It's the first hotel to write all my names in full. I'm so happy.